Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. This is Arfan Aftab, and today we have something very special for you. There is another exchange which is regulated by Central Bank of Bahrain, and there is something very important for you guys. If you register with that exchange and do your KYC by the end of this year, you will get $50 worth of Bitcoin free. It's not only Bitcoin, you can choose any other coin which is listed on that exchange. So without wasting any further, let's get started. So the exchange is Coinmena. As you can see in the about section, this one is headquartered in Bahrain and it is licensed and regulated by the Central Bank of Bahrain. And if you are living in Bahrain, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, or Oman, you can register with this exchange and you can sell or buy in your local currencies plus USD. The limit they are providing you in Bahraini dinar is 49,000, and you can also apply for higher limits. And you can do bank transfer or credit or debit card transfer. Generally, you should do bank transfer because bank transfer is extremely cheaper compared to credit and debit card. Not only in Coinmena, any other exchange you go for. And you can see the other currencies also which are supported, which I already mentioned you about. So let's start with the registration process. So this is the interface of Coinmena. There are a couple of coins which includes two stable coins, which is USDC and USDT. So you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, Uniswap, that's a DeFi, Compound, FTX, and Chiliz. Click on sign up, enter your first name, your last name, your email, and choose a strong password, accept to the terms and conditions, and create your account. It will ask you the country and the contact number so that they can send you the verification code SMS on that number so that you can verify your contact number. You have created your account within less than a minute. Next, you have to do your verification process. So after doing the verification process, you will be eligible for $50 worth of cash. So you can buy any cryptocurrency which is listed on their exchange. So let's start with the verification process. Put your nationality, your country of residence, and it will ask you some more details like residential address, your passport details, your employment information, and your source of income. Plus, it will also ask you for the selfie, and you have to accept the terms and conditions. Take your time, read and understand them. And once you have submitted, they will take approximately 2 working days to review and verify your details. Once they are verified, you should be receiving $50 in your account, and then you can buy any cryptocurrency you want from there. These are some of the fee schedules. You can see bank deposit is a zero fees. Card deposit, there are charges. It's not only with Coinmena, any other exchange you go for, there are charges. So a good way is to do a bank transfer, do dollar cost average, and wait for the cryptocurrency to drop. So whenever people are fearful, you buy, and when people are ready, you sell. And even for the digital assets for withdrawal, there is some limits. That minimum this much amount of digital assets you can withdraw. Let's say for Bitcoin, it should be 0.002. Take your time, you can pause the video or you can go on their website and see all the rest of the details. So just a small tip, you should have accounts with different exchanges. The best way is to diversify your portfolio. What I mean by diversifying your portfolio, let's talk just for crypto for now. Whichever country you are living, the local exchanges, try to make account with most of the exchanges, or if not all. And then you should also have accounts with multiple exchanges international, which are legal. Why? Because your coins are in the exchange. If you put all the eggs in one bucket and that bucket is lost or stolen, what I mean by that, some of the best exchanges also in the past have been hacked. So it's a good practice to have your coins in multiple exchanges. Well, it's much better to have it in your personal wallets because not your keys, not your coins. Let's say if you do not have a big investment, still it's better to have small portions of that investment into different exchanges. So in case if that worst scenario happens with one exchange, you do not lose everything. The best scenario is to have in different wallets, your personal non-custodial wallets, and do not put all the coins in one wallet as well, because if you lose your seed phrase, still it will be the same scenario. Nobody can do anything for you. So even if you're putting in the wallets, put in multiple different wallets and have their seed phrases saved in different locations, not on the internet, not on the phone. somewhere, write it down. And diversification. What I mean by diversification, I just told you, do not put all your eggs in the same bucket. Your investment portfolio should not just be only of crypto. Some equity or shares, some crypto, some property, land, house, something else. But all of this diversification should be done after you have paid your loans, you have your emergency fund, some fund at least for 1 year for your medical expenses. Only after that you should think about investment, because there is always a risk in investment. Whenever you're going for a risk, take a calculated risk, because that is the best. In the description below, you will find an affiliate link. So you can use that affiliate link and register and do KYC with Coinmena and get your $50, but do it before the end of December. So using that referral link will support the channel at no extra cost to you. And in case if you don't want to support the channel, still stay blessed. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.